Okay. So, instead of doing the LR2 engine for the Comanche, we're doing the L32. It's the 3.4 liter V6 engine. Has a bigger bore and a longer stroke, so we're going to get more compression, and for that reason we are getting a new camshaft. So look right here. So these are the specs on the camshaft, recently made. Look at that. But we're going to have a 0.39 lift on the valves. But we're gonna see how it goes. I'm gonna have to end up getting a bigger carburetor too, because filling that extra volume on the stock 2-barrel carburetor probably isn't really gonna happen. So I'm gonna have to find a different carburetor that's gonna work better. So anyways, I already opened this thing up and looked at it and everything, but I thought I would just kind of show you guys what it's like to get a camshaft from Comp. So you get this lubricant, and when I install the camshaft, I'm just going to put it in this little thing, and I'll use as much as I need. They also give you this card that gives your serial number on the camshaft, and then it goes through all of the stats again, just in a little bit more depth. So the duration at 0.05 is 192 and 200. The actual lift of the lobe is 0.26. That was a little confusing for me. So 0.26 times the rocker arm ratio, which the stock is 1.5, will give you the 0.39. So that's how they get that. 1.5 rocker arm ratio times the lobe lift is how you get your overall lift. And then lobe separation is 108. That's in degrees. Right here, come here. Right here you can see that it did ask for a set of springs, which are the 980-12, and I have those already put in the heads, but the box is right here, 980-12. So they put on a different spring. My guess is so you don't get valve float, which is a new term for me, but now we know what it means. Getting the camshaft out is like this. So you also have this thing that they send in there. This says you have to use a special additive, and that's just zip tied to the cam. So it comes in this little bag. It's kind of hard to get out. When I deal with camshafts, I always put like a screw or something on the end here. Makes it easier to hold. But this is it. And I'm hoping that the break-in goes great, because I don't want to tear the engine apart because like I grind a valve or a lobe down to nothing, because I've seen that happen before for people that are kind of new, and I am. So I'm hoping that the break-in goes good. But I already got the camshaft bearings installed in the block, so we're gonna put it on fast motion now, and we get this thing installed. camshaft install went pretty uneventful. We lubed it up and put it in. So tonight I'm also going to put in all the lifters. I'll probably do the gear set as well, just because I can. But little by little, here we go. Getting close. And then I get to test out the engine test stand. So that's going to be fun. See how that turned out. But thanks for tuning in, everyone. Have a good day.